Another cause of coughing is asthma. So many young children develop asthma when they're younger because their mother did not have enough vitamin D. Apparently, vitamin D deficiency early on sets you up for asthma down the road because you need vitamin D to help form the lungs correctly. Realize anyone with an asthma problem needs a lot of vitamin D to put that into remission. People that get asthma usually get it more in the winter. I wonder why? Because we get less vitamin D. There's also something called Croup, which you see in young children, which is kind of like a barking cough. It's very, very different. And the remedy for that is also vitamin D.